Now this mountainous terrain that you see these Mercedes is navigating is an in-house off-road track at the Mercedes plant here in Pune. It's an initiative that's been flagged off under the Mercedes-Benz Performance Drive big banner, and under this there are a lot of activities planned which will drum up a lot of automotive excitement all year round. That's because under the Performance Drive 2013 program, Mercedes has chalked out 6 different experiences that you can sign up for. Yes, it doesn't matter whether you own a Maruti or a Rolls-Royce. All you need to do is head to Mercedes-Benz PerformanceDrive.in and sign up for the event of your choice. The Mercedes Slalom and Pre-Safe demonstrations, badged as Star Drive, which were customer events only earlier, are also on the platter. These events though come at a hefty price. The one-day Star off-road driving course costs 20,000 rupees. Then of course there is the AMG Driving Academy at BIC, which will also bring an advanced driver training program from Germany to India for the very first time. But if you are seeking adventure, then there is one drive that tops them all.
This is for real enthusiasts. We drive with Mercedes-Benz G-Wagons. It starts in Poland, 8 countries, it's 47 days, Himalaya, and it ends up in India. So we are the final destination of this 47 days trek.
And suitably enough, this drive will cost 19 lakh rupees. But the Performance Drive 2013 isn't just about giving wealthy thrill seekers something to toy around with. Mercedes is serious about growing motorsport talent in India with their Young Star Driver program.
Young Indians in the age between 15 and 25 can apply for. We will get into a screening, and finally we invite the top 50 to the Formula 1 circuit here in India for a testing. From 50, the second day over there, it will come to 12. And these 12 finalists, they go for 3 places what we offer in Germany. It's a 3-level program, professional race training, and it ends up finally in Germany on the Nürburgring, the Formula 1 circuit over there. And by the way, it's for free.
Well, Mercedes plans to drum up excitement with a flurry of products too.
In the first half of the year, we introduce 3 new products to the market. It's the B-Class diesel. A lot of customers wait for the diesel engine in the B-Class. We will introduce the brand new GL, and this car will be built as well here in this factory in Chakan. And we are heading for the Mercedes-Benz hatchback, the A-Class, both as a petrol and as a diesel, what will come in June.
It certainly looks like the 3-pointed star is going to make 2013 a very exciting year.